are as easy as SSST. Support, space, smooth, and tape. First, give your cutout the proper support. Install wood strips to the cabinet running from front to back. No closer to the cutout than 1 inch or 25 millimeters, but no farther than 3 inches or 75 millimeters. Or you can adhere the wood strips directly to the corian using the same guidelines. Second, give your cutout the proper space. Be sure to allow an 1/8 inch or 3 millimeters on all sides. Third, make your cutout smooth. Sand all exposed edges of the cutout and route upper and lower edges to a 1/16 inch or 1.5 millimeter radius. This will take out nicks that might cause cracks later. And fourth, tape all cooktop cutouts. Heat-conductive tape will help eliminate hot spots that later can cause cracking. The correct tape to use is 4/1000 of an inch and is available from your corian distributor. Remember, SSST. Support, space, smooth, and tape. Choosing the right tool for the job is essential, and the only tool for making cutouts in corian is a router. Other tools may leave squared corners, which may result in cracking. Use a router that's a minimum of 2.5 horsepower or 1875 watts with a 3/8 inch or 10 millimeter diameter single flute carbide tipped bit and a 1 inch template guide. The second essential tool is the right template. Reconfirm the actual appliance, sink, or lav that will be placed in your cutout and use the right template for the job. Now that we've described how to make a template, let's return to the procedures for making a cutout. After selecting the correct template for the job, locate the center line of the cutout and secure the template with clamps. Start by making a partial cutout in a clockwise direction with your router. If the sink will be installed on the job, you may want to complete the cutout on the job. A partial cut with the center intact will keep the corian piece from twisting and breaking while in transit to the site. When completing cutouts, ensure that the cutout is adequately supported by using glue blocks or thin strips of wood. If the sink will be installed in the shop, complete the cutout with the router. It is now a DuPont requirement that a surplus piece of this cutout must be left on the site in an inconspicuous place. Ease the edges as a safety measure. This surplus piece will ensure that color-matched material will be available for future use. Sand all exposed edges of the cutout and route upper and lower edges to a 1/16 inch or 1.5 millimeter radius. This will take out nicks that might cause cracks later. It is also a safety measure to save you and possibly others from being cut by sharp edges. Cutouts for cooktops require an additional step: heat-conductive tape around all the edges. Aluminum heat-conductive tape provides a heat-dissipating surface for the cooktop to rest upon. By conducting heat away from any hot spots, the tape protects the edge of the corian from possible heat stress and cracking. Without folding the bottom edge, apply aluminum tape around the entire opening and fold it down on top only. Be sure the entire flange area is covered. Once the cooktop is in place, lightly score any visible tape with a construction knife and peel the excess away to complete the job. If someone else completes the cooktop installation, it's important to tape a note explaining any mounting requirements, the purpose of the heat tape, or other information that will ensure high-quality finished standards. Fabricating cutouts correctly is essential for a quality job. And remember, making quality cutouts is as easy as SSST. Support, space, smooth, and tape. Production presents Korean Seamed Undermount Bowls. In this video, we'll review the benefits of using the seamed undermount technique, the tools required for seamed undermount installations, how to prepare the sheet and the bowl, how to create a perfect seam with Korean joint adhesive, and the finishing procedures every fabricator should follow to deliver a top-quality job. The appearance of a Korean one-piece vanity top and bowl has grown to be very popular with both designers and consumers. Even though these factory-made units for bath installations are available through Korean distributors, there are many, many more opportunities for custom fabrications of seamed undermount bowls. Besides providing a smooth, sleek appearance, seamed undermount bowls give you maximum design flexibility in terms of placement, size, sheet thickness, and cost. Plus, seamed undermount installations give you the ability to mix and match the beautiful colors of Korean sheets with the beautiful colors of Korean bowls to create a truly unique design. Aside from the normal